If you're craving leftovers fast, but you hate the mushy, who likes mushy? I'm just asking. Welcome to my Ninja Kitchen. My name is Roxanne. I go by Rox Talk Show, and you're here on my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. It's where I give you reviews on different things for your kitchen, your home, and for your life. And today we're talking about the Ninja Crispi Microwave. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, I hate microwaves. I've been talking and disparaging microwaves now for over a year and a half on my lives because I feel like microwaves are the only thing in a kitchen that's allowed to be subpar, mediocre, like nothing's changed. The food is leathery, it's overcooked, it ruins things. It's the reason people don't like leftovers. And yet they've never had to improve and they get a spot like permanently in the kitchen. It's a lot of BS if you ask me. Well, Ninja hurt me. And I have to just say, just a little disclaimer, I had the great opportunity to test this out before it came out. Was super excited about the concept because I love the Ninja Crispi, and this brings Ninja Crispi and your glass air frying together with the microwave, and it's free of the PFAS or any of that stuff. But now here it is in the flesh. And I already took it out of the box because I could not hold this with one hand like this. But let's go ahead and I'm going to do a magical unboxing. You ready? Ta-da! Here it is. Now, a couple things I just want to point out with your machine. It is actually very sleek looking, and it has a safety button, which I never even thought of before, but you press this button right here and then you'll be able to open your microwave. That way, if you've got someone who should not be trying to get in there, they cannot. So you have that lock on the right-hand side. You just click that button. Once you click that button, it unlocks it and it opens it right up. Now you have 3 different settings with your microwave. You're gonna be able to do your regular microwaving things. You're also gonna be able to air fry and then Fusion Crisp. Fusion Crisp is where you're getting that air frying, like reviving food back and making it taste so delicious because it's like an air fryer but a microwave. You also have your crisper basket. This basket is 5.5 quarts. You have a lot of room, and it does have that air frying crisper plate you'll use depending on what you're making in this. This actually slides at the very top. So a lot of the cooking when you're doing your air frying is going to be done right up there, which is awesome. And you also will microwave down here. What's interesting is this is a microwave. You don't actually have it rotating. It does not need to rotate to cook the food, which is actually nice because that's always a pain to clean. And then when you're doing your Fusion Crisp, you can either do the top position or the bottom position, just depending on what you're doing or how much you're filling it up. So those will be the 3 ways you'll cook. Over here, of course, you'll put in your time. You have air frying, Fusion Crisp, and you also have the microwave option. And you'll be able to set your settings. What do you see? Do we have a popcorn setting? I don't even know. I didn't check for popcorn when I tried it. You go to the presets. Microwave, presets. We do. We have popcorn, potatoes, defrost, beverages, soups, frozen dinner, frozen vegetables, and then softened butter. So you have those presets as well too. You can change the power levels out. I can't wait to try some popcorn in there because, you know, I love me some popcorn. And what's nice about it is free of the PFAS. You don't have to worry about that. Just get a good bag. You're my favorite popcorn company. I guess I didn't try it enough because it was popcorn where it was actually the containers were safe. They went out of business. Now they're just making like, I don't know, Cheez-Its or something, some version of Cheez-Its. But that makes me sad because that popcorn was good. It was like O'Neill's or Oh Somebody's. And it was so good. I digress. You're also going to get your recipe guide. I love a good quick start guide, and this one is going to give you inspiration, but it's also going to go through and give you a breakdown for when you're going to use the different types of settings. Your microwave is a 1,000-watt flatbed microwave, so you don't need to worry about that. Your air frying, and then also your Fusion Crisp, which remember is going to bring together the magic of microwaves and air frying all together, so you can do that. In here as well too, you have, it'll let you know what's compatible, like if you can use aluminum foil, ceramic plates, that and the other, depending on what you're cooking with. This is important, like what is Fusion Crisp? It gives you the breakdown of why you'd want to use the Fusion Crisp and what you use it on. Fusion Crisp starts with surround wave microwaving to lock in moisture, thank God, not dry and gross, and tenderness, then automatically transitions to high heat for air frying for a faster, crispier, and juicier finish. Why Fusion Crisp over microwaving or air frying alone, which these do both? Because if you need your dinner in a pinch, it will rapidly defrost your meal and crisp it all in one function. If you're craving leftovers fast, but you hate the mushy, who likes mushy? I'm just asking. Textures, Fusion Crisp it, reheat, and add crisp to your leftovers. And then also, if you want an extra large meal that feeds a whole family, you can cook the larger meals, and it's 60% faster than my other microwaves. Those are the whys. In here, it has different recipes that you can use, and you can make, and shows you how to take those things that you love and make them delicious in the microwave. Now, the one caveat to this, and this is what I've always said ever since I knew there was a microwave coming to Ninja, is a bummer because for me personally, I don't want to take that crappy ass microwave out of my actual kitchen and put this one in here. And as of now, there's no mounting system. But if you're someone who has a home and you don't have a microwave mounted, this is perfect for you. I do think they did a great job with the size. It's just a little bit bigger, if not the same size actually as your double oven Pro, so it's not huge in size. It will fit underneath a standard counter. And then of course you get to cook away. You also do get your little inspired recipes. It gives you a little breakdown of things that you can make in it. So listen, I'm going to be testing this out. So watch for another video where I give you some more information on how to use it, why you might want to use it. We're going to cook in it, but I wanted you just to at least first see the unboxing, see what it's all about. And it's a name you know and trust, it's Ninja. And now they've gotten into the microwave space, which thank God, because you know we needed a microwave in this space. It's ridiculous that we haven't. Microwaves have been mediocre. Now you have your Ninja Crispi Microwave, taking all the great things from the Crispies we love, and now you get to use your microwave as well too. All right, if you have questions, please, it'll help me create the next video on this. So I'd love to know what questions you have. Put them in the comments below. Also make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because I do a lot of reviews on all these items and I want you to be able to get the information you need. Also, I do have a code, ROX. When you use that code, you'll be able to use that to get a discount on items most of the time, and I have some links as well too. And, oh, I forgot, you made me official on YouTube, so you can see the link right there and click on it if you want more details. All right, see you soon.